Hello everyone, I am Priyanka from HR Career Institute. Today's topic is 7 stages of recruitment process. First one, planning. Planning is making strategies for hiring an employee. It acts as a timeline for the company to find a right employee at the right time. Second point, analysis. Analysis is preparing job description for a particular post. Job description includes job details such as qualification, skills required, and responsibilities. Third point, searching. Searching is actively finding candidates for the given job. It can be found through portals, job fairs, and advertisement. Fourth point, screening. Screening is a process of reviewing and resume or profile for a job. It can be conducted via telephonic interview or via face-to-face interview. Fifth point, engagement. Engagement is a process of keeping in touch with a candidate through text or email. Sixth point, selection. Selection process includes selecting and shortlisting a right candidate with necessary qualification and skills required. Seventh point, onboarding. Onboarding is a process where a candidate is hired in the company and will be joining the company. Here, an HR is engaged in completing official and required documents related to company policies. Thank you.